Good morning, guys. Today I want to show y'all something that I did out here. I did an install on an F3s 2022 model, and I did the full exhaust system. This is the Assassin Series with the cat delete on the new F3, okay? Now, the things I did wrong, I didn't make a video before. I don't know what I was thinking. You should have been able to hear a before and an after. Who's making these videos anyway? My goodness, I make mistakes left and right. And this is one for sure. I should have showed you before and after, but I am gonna show you the after because it's what matters anyway. If you got the bike, you know what it sounds like, right? Okay, so here we go. Take a listen, tell me what you think. Put something in the comment below like, wow, that sucks, or whoa, dude, that's awesome. I'm good at listening to people criticizing me. I've been doing it my whole life. So go for it. 2022 F3s Can-Am spotter with the RLS Exhaust Assassin Series. This is a full exhaust system. This is the cat delete and the muffler.